I'm riding towards Key West. I'm by the Everglades. I did already 13 miles this morning. I left after 6. It's little after 7 right now. That's almost like a road. And there's Everglades. No end in sight. This road is called Tamiami Trail. I think I rode already like 20 miles. I'm trying to keep a speed about 17 miles an hour. Still very impressed with my tires. I can't be more thankful to my bike shop, Tires Direct. They upgraded my tires and I haven't got any flats. It's so much easier to ride. Flat resistant tires. Very good. Look at that. Mikosuke Resort Gaming. It's like Vegas. So far I rode 31.6 miles. Now I have my own bike trail. Look at that. It's pretty. Wow, that's a big field and covered with plastic. It's such a nice bike trail here, and Google wanted me to go around. I don't know why. It happens sometimes after you use the logic. So Google haven't updated their maps yet. I'm in Homestead. I'm going to Starbucks. I'm gonna take a stop there. I've been riding 50 miles, so it's good to stop. So I'm on the way. I passed Homestead and now I'm heading to the Key Largo. Once I get to Key Largo, the wind's gonna be mostly from the back, but right now it's headwind. Welcome to Florida Keys. I think it's a man-made island. And I'm heading that way. I got to the Key Largo and now the wind is mostly behind, so it's much easier. So now I just need to find a place where I can eat lunch. So I had lunch here and I'm heading to my hotel, 17 miles to go. Look at that, wide and very smooth. It's not bumpy. Sometimes the bike path would be bumpy, but this one is very, very smooth. I have arrived. Tomorrow morning I'm heading out again. I have 80 miles to go tomorrow. Wow, coconuts. It's beautiful. Real coconuts growing. There are more. Look at those. Tiny ones. And all these palms have coconuts up there. Wow. It's pretty. It's 8 o'clock at night. Tomorrow's gonna be another long day. Travel 90 miles to get to Key West. See you tomorrow. It's a beautiful trail here. Nice trail. What a view. Such a nice ride. I was flying over this long bridge. It's just like a couple of miles long. I was going like 22 miles an hour because the wind is behind. I got the tailwind. It's a great blue heron, white morph. 7-mile bridge. It's like any other bridge, just longer. I put the vest on so that I would be more visible. So beautiful. I'm on the highest point of 7-mile bridge. Look at that beautiful water. The water is so blue. This is my bike road. Miles to Key West. Getting closer. It's Overseas Heritage Trail. Look at that. Guess what? I made it to Key West. 180 miles from Miami. So I'm in Key West now. I made it. Look at that. Now I'm gonna go find some place to sit down and enjoy my meal. 180 miles in 2 days from Miami. And looks really pretty here.